Hello, hi viewers, welcome to TFPC. This is Karthik. So, we are here with Akanksha Singh garu for షష్టిపూర్తి మూవీ గురించి ఉన్న విషయాలు విశేషాలు ఆవిడ మాటలో తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్,
Hello,
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బాగున్నాను.
ఫైన్.
Yeah, all good.
ఓకే, సో షష్టిపూర్తి అనే టైటిల్ చాలా ఎంగేజింగ్గా కనిపిస్తుంది అండ్ మీరు ఉండడం వల్ల ఇంకా ఎంగేజింగ్గా అనిపించిందేమో అని అనిపించింది. సో వాట్ యూ వాంట్ టు సే?
I think Shashti Purti has a very important relevance in the culture, and as the film suggests, that it is not just about Shashti Purti. It's about the celebration, togetherness, and the journey you spend together. All these lives. So there is comedy, there's action, there's love, there's romance. There's lot more, than just the celebration of Shashti Purti in the film. You're gonna see Rajendra Prasad Garu and Archana ma'am after 30 years in the film, and also their kind of a love story, plus Ram and Janki's love story. So I think uh, you can go with your family to watch this particular film, because in recent times we have seen action, love, comedy, everything. But this is one film where you will find everything.
Okay, so after taking this much of time, why షష్టిపూర్తి only?
In between whatever projects I have done, it went on OTT. So it was not in my hands. It's just that COVID, and after so many things happened. But with this film, when I was approached for this film, the thought was not that whether it will go on theater in theaters or it will go on OTT. I chose this film because of its content, the story, and of course my character.
Okay, so coming to your character, so recently we have witnessing every type of lady characters in different styles of the picturization by taking off some thriller genre and the action genre. But the actual the face of the cinema of a heroine has started by these type of entertainers only, the heroine characterization. So by witnessing that type of characterization to you, so how you are feeling while doing
I
that?
feel for an actor, it is very important to be relevant and with time to do different kind of characters and roles. So I have been very fortunate in my career where I got to play all these different characters. This is also very different what I have done before. And when you'll watch the film, you'll get to understand that what I'm talking about. In terms of doing different things in the film is what makes an actor, right? If you do the same thing, then nobody will watch also, and you will also not feel that satisfaction. So I think the idea is that only that to experiment with the kind of characters I get, and to entertain my audience.
Okay, so if you want to define your character in a one line, what would
Very
it be?
difficult to
By starting giving an introduction to the conclusion in one liner.
in one liner. um okay, she is today's girl, sensible, emotional, but yet very strong. So yeah, and also a temple treasurer.
So, what do you want to learn in real life by watching her character?
See, there's already a lot which not just me, but every girl could relate when they'll watch Janaki on screen. Um, it has a relevance with the story. It is a very, very important character to the film. Um, it has dynamics, dynamic role in the film.
Exactly.
So taking away would be, no matter what is the situation, just stand tall and be strong.
Okay, so we know and we knew Akanksha Singh as memorable characters by watching her filmography in Telugu industry. We have witnessed many memorable films and we have witnessed your disappearance also for some time. But these films which have already done Malirava or the others, in those characters completely filled up your space. So you are coming with Sastipurti. So will it be filled after your next filmography, until your next filmography?
See, I was never away from Telugu audience. There was not a gap, for the people who have not seen me in theaters. Just the gap is that I was not coming up with a film in the theaters. Otherwise, I was always there in front of
You
you.
are there.
Yeah,
I'm just
yeah.
saying that only.
So,
You are there with your characterizations only.
yeah.
But up until your next film, this character should be remarkable or remembered.
Yes, of course, it will be. I feel that, at least I tried that, while working on the film, I tried that people would register this and people will, again appreciate my work. As far as the gap is concerned, I don't want to take any gaps. I really want to work more and more. And after this, I don't think so that I'm working on another film, which is a thriller film, Telugu again. And yeah, I mean, I don't think so that there is any looking back from now. And I would like to entertain my audience.
So, on an appreciation note, completely we are happily filled up our hearts by watching your characters.
Thank you.
So, it's a good sign. And
Thank
so,
you.
By coming to Sastipurti, Ilaiyaraaja Garu is a music director for this film.
Right.
And every actor or actress will feel grateful by working in this music composition.
True.
So, how your BGMs, like, did you have ever observed your BGMs? Or?
So my favorite song is Iru Kanulo Kanulo from the film. And if you talk about every song, it has a story to tell. The song is there for a reason. It's not just just a random song. So the kind of melodies he has given to us, it's beautiful because the song is also a part of a story. And I've been very fortunate that this is the second time my film has got his music. So yeah, I mean, I have heard his songs. I have grown up, listening to his songs. So yeah, I mean, very fortunate, very happy.
Okay, comparing these days of filmography is completely going and touching the higher heights of the film and going to the taking every film to the next level by building up many high scenes or many high voltage action sequences to make the film more greater, and audience are also in giving the interest to that type of films. So by coming with this film, what do you want to give a surprise note to audience?
It is automatically a surprise note when you have films filled with action and romance and other things. And like, if I talk about myself, I miss to watch a film where I can sit with my parents and my family, and I can watch the film together as a family. So I think we are, after a very long time, there is a concept like this which is coming in front of you, where you can sit with your family to watch this film and be a part of this journey with us. So we are automatically giving you a chance and a motto to go with your family and spend some time together and witness the magic, of course. So for all the people like who are the parents and who have known Rajendra Prasad Garu and Archana ma'am since Ladies Tailor, and they wanted to watch them. So I think please get your parents and please make them watch. And it's just not, this film is just not for your parents, it's for everyone.
Okay, so your travel with Pawan Garu and how memorable to you by working with him?
I feel that, even if he's new director for this industry, he has written this story very beautifully. He knew what he wants from each and every character, how he wanted to shoot. And that's a very good sign, very, very good thing about a director, that he was very clear that what he wants. So half of the job was done there. And traveling to Rajahmundry was an experience, honestly, because we were traveling by the boat and crossing the Godavari every day and shooting at the temple. So that was a unique thing which I have never done before.
Tasted the specials of Godavari?
Yeah, sorry.
Tasted any specials of Godavari?
Not really. I say whatever time we had, we just have to go back and eat at our hotels and stuff, but never got a chance to try it. But otherwise, in terms of beauty, yes, I have experienced the beauty of Rajahmundry in the scorching heat also. And we all did our best to serve you the beauty of Rajahmundry.
Okay. So, Akansha, some questions audience want to
Okay.
ask you.
Okay.
So, I'm the mediator now.
Okay.
So, I'm just asking.
Okay.
So, it's completely on audience
Mhm.
things. So, if Akansha Singh want to choose Malli Rava or Sastapati, what?
Oh my God, how can I choose?
I'm not asking.
Mm.
Completely audience. Yes, sure.
See, both are my babies. I can't choose one. So I have given my heart and soul to both the films. Malli Rava, you already have seen it, loved it, and the firsts are always special. And when it comes to this film, I'm coming back to your theater
Exactly.
screens. So I can't choose one. It is also special in so many ways.
Okay. Middle.
Yeah, I
So
mean,
I
I love
have
both the
something
films.
So, Akansha Singh's first learned Telugu word.
First Telugu word.
First learned Telugu word. Which Telugu word you have learned first
Sorry.
at starting? Sorry.
Sorry.
Any పెద్దది ఏమన్నా?
ఒక్క నిమిషం
Big.
ఒక్క నిమిషం
ఇంతే. No crazy words, something.
Crazy words.
Yeah, no.
My team has to work on me. No, crazy words.
Crazy
Sai
words.
crazy words.
No. Okay. So, when we can see Akansha Singh with Sumant Garu again?
Good question. I think someone has to make film for that. I'm not
I
right
guess
about
Gautam
it.
Garu.
Yesterday only I spoke to him, and he's also coming up with his film Kingdom.
Kingdom.
So yeah, so we were speaking, and I hope that someday. Why not?
Really given by Gautam Garu to you about Kingdom?
No,
We have not asked anything.
no.
Okay, this is my question.
I knew it.
Okay, so what's Akansha Garu's favorite film?
Film.
Film in Telugu
Mm-hmm.
after COVID.
After COVID. Mahanati was after COVID or before COVID?
Before 2018-19.
After COVID. Good question. Meet Cute. Meet Cute.
Web series. Web series.
It's an anthology film. They release in the format, but yeah, okay. Give me some names because I don't remember the
I
year.
would say some star cast films only. So, if you would choose, in my opinion, I would be happy.
Larger Than the Experience, I really enjoyed. Like, I don't know the favorite film, but Larger Than the Experience, I would say RRR was the Larger Than the Experience theater experience for me after COVID. Favorite film. You have to give me names.
So, ante RRR close.
No, I've seen Maharaja also. I've seen Amaran also recently.
Hollywood.
I know, but you have to give me names because I
Okay,
don't know
I'll say 3 to 4 names.
Okay,
You have to choose one only.
you
You
give
have
me
to choose
good.
one only.
You give me good names.
Good names.
You said that I will give you some
Excellent
crazy names. Okay, chalo.
Excellent names I will give.
Mm.
You have to choose only one.
Okay,
Only one. Okay.
I will try.
Okay. All star cast films.
Okay.
Salar Devara, Pushpa.
Pushpa?
Pushpa. If there is a question to you, if not cinema,
Mm-hmm.
then what Akansha Singh would be?
If not in cinema, I would be in my hospital treating patients as I'm a physiotherapist. So yeah, maybe.
Physiotherapy.
Yeah.
If a chance of making a larger than life film, so according to mythology,
Mm-hmm.
what Akansha Singh Garu choose according to mythology? Which script Akansha Singh Garu would choose?
Mythology.
Actually, you are a spiritual person.
Yeah, so I would say that I would love to play Draupadi's character.
Draupadi.
Yeah,
in
Mahabharata.
So Draupadi, if you are a Draupadi, then who is that 5 characters?
That I don't know. That I leave it
If
on.
you want to choose.
No, I can't
No,
choose
no,
it.
no,
Creatively,
no.
I can't choose it. I can say that, what powerful character I could play. So I can tell you that.
Okay.
Or maybe Ma Kali.
So finally, one last question from me, audience అయిపోయింది.
Okay.
So I just want to speak a dialogue from you. So actually, my name is also Karthik only.
Okay.
So Malirava, I have one iconic dialogue which you will ask Sumant garu, like నా కోసం సిగరెట్ మానేస్తావని. So I just want to recreate that dialogue as a reel in this interview.
Okay.
So just one last thing.
నా కోసం సిగరెట్ మానేస్తావా?
దాని తర్వాత డైలాగ్ తెలియదు, బట్ నీ కోసం అయితే మానేస్తా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.